All right, Mercy's got an American breakfast this morning. Check it out. Over easy, toast, bacon, home fries. Looks delicious. She's always trying to make me eat her breakfast, so I'm gonna order my own.
I know.
I gotta get the fat Drake today.
All right. That's a lot.
It's a lot.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Oh my goodness, look at these biscuits. They are waiting for me. I don't know if I want to do the fat Drake now. I saw my biscuits, so I'm thinking maybe biscuits and gravy. Looking like spam salad coming up. Some eggs coming out. Oh my goodness, here we go, the fat Drake, and I did a little spin on mine today. I hit it with some jalapenos. Check that out, everybody. That's the fat Drake. A little bit of everything in there. But I'm gonna dig into this fat Drake. Check it out. Here, let me see that steak. Oh, you're almost done. How's the steak?
Oh, it's real good.
All right. Now Joe came here all the way from Bakersfield just to come try my steak. And he's laughing because it's true. He told me. So I came all the way here to Papi's.
That was the only reason.
The only reason. Thanks, man. Let's see what we got going over here. CJ's here. CJ abroad.
What's going on, guys?
CJ, you're gonna have to tell me. You guys are like contemplating whether to open up a Far West Mommy. I heard about this. I couldn't believe my ears. You said you're going to give us 10 bad reviews. And start up a golf rooftop. No, then they changed their mind. They said the golf was already taken. I don't know what the next idea is going to be.
We're going to put it underground.
Underground. Oh, yeah, underground golf, not a rooftop golf.
Yeah, we're going to put
So yeah, and Philo's over here. I think it's the first time he's heard this, but Chubbs and JR and CJ here were like plotting against us here with an underground golf. And they were going to call it Far West Mommy.
Far West Mommy.
All right. Well, not a bad idea, I guess, as long as I can like call it a franchise or some sort. I don't know. All right. Philo's digging in on some tacos right here.
Yeah.
What do you think?
They're awesome. Really good.
You're not just saying
I got the taco trio today.
The trio taco.
It's 3 Taco Bell-like tacos. Mm-hmm. And they're mozzarella.
Mozzarella. There you go, guys. Mozzarella. All right, CJ rolling up with some tacos al pastor.
That's good.
Look at that. I'm going to sneak in here and take a look. Oh my gosh. They put like 3 times the meat. Are you getting special treatment here or something?
Maybe I am.
He tripled up on the meat on here. You can't even fold that over.
I believe it's some good reviews, so they've been.
Well, maybe that's what it is.
Special treatment.
Getting special treatment here.
Yep.
Let's go in for the first bite. He's going for the kill. You didn't even sauce that one up, did you? You went dry. You went in on that dry. You got to lube those up.
Didn't even need it, but it's good.
Now you're doing with the sauce. All right. Better with the sauce, right?
Yeah. Wow. That's really good. Am I the first to get it?
Oh my gosh, look at this shrimp cocktail, guys.
Wow.
Johnny had to do the shrimp cocktail, the Mexican style cocktail. Look at this. Full of goodness. He got his with chips. What do you think, buddy?
Very good. Enjoy that.
Looky here. Say hello. Trying to climb out. Oh, there you go. Got to blow a kiss to everybody. All right, guys. We're here with a large group that just came in from
the Bay Area.
the Bay Area. San Francisco Bay, guys. All the way from San Francisco Bay to eat a meal with us here at Papi's Bar and Chill. Say hello to everyone.
Hello.
Introduce yourselves and your family.
I'm Robert. This is my wife Jonah.
Hello.
This is all my in-laws.
All the in-laws from Manila came down from Manila. All right. I'm putting you on the spot, right? Remembering names? Everybody's here looking at the menus, guys, getting their food ordered in. And the little one over here is making a mess on the table like they should.
Yeah, absolutely.
Like they should, absolutely. All right, guys, I'll let you be until your food comes out, and then I'm going to come out and see what y'all got and how you like it.
Sounds great. This is our first stop here. We just arrived today and we had to come.
Excellent. Thanks, guys. All right, guys. What's going on here? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Is that why you're crying? Oh, yeah. So how is it, everybody?
Really good.
Really good. That's what not kind of good, not a little bit good, but really good. All right, everybody enjoying? Sarap, masarap. Excellent. We got a variety of things here. You got the burger, and it's about gone. I'm a little late getting out here.
You got the Mercy on Me burger, but that is huge.
Yeah, that's a big burger. That's our smallest burger.
It's the smallest one.
Yeah, huge.
Yeah.
Named after the small Mercy here. Right? And the little one wants more rice. Give me that rice, she said. Give me all that rice. You don't want to throw that in the floor, do you? Give me a rice bath. There you go. There you go. And we got a lot of wings going on out here, I see. Chicken wings. You like the chicken wing? Got some sinigang. And some pancit canton. I like the bihon myself. That's my favorite. You like it?
Yeah.
Little variety here. And are the wings too spicy? Is it too spicy for you?
No.
Or a little bit? A little bit.
So nice.
Just a little bit. All right, cool. Excellent, guys. Well, I'll leave you alone. Enjoy. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you for supporting our business and our channels. I know. You guys watch us, right? All the time?
Yeah, all the time.
Thank you, Robert.
Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
All right, guys, that was another day here at Papi's Bar and Chill at the Drake Hotel. Had a great time meeting subscribers, as always. Got a lot of people rolling in here, staying at the hotel, eating with us at the restaurant.
Every day.
Love meeting all you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We have Bill here that brought a, show what Bill brought.
First,
He brought in this, the soccer team. Oh, it's upside down.
Oh, sorry.
There we go. He brought in the Rangers football, soccer. I'll call it football, the way it should be, right? Brought us in this flag to put in the restaurant. We'll hang that up in the restaurant. We got a place for that. Excellent. And he also came by another time, and he said we needed this flag to go with it.
I love
it.
Look at that.
Brought us this flag as well.
Yeah, thank you, Bill.
Yeah, thank you. We'll proudly hang this in the restaurant along there with the football team that you like there. Thank you so much for everybody bringing license plates and different items to hang up in the restaurant. We appreciate it, guys.
Thank you.
So-
We're gonna put it in a special place.
Yeah, we have a place already made, picked out for that one. Thanks again, Bill.
Thank you.
Mercy and I want to remind everybody to join on our live stream. It's going to be tomorrow at 6 p.m. here Philippine time.
Tomorrow is a big day.
It's our big day for us. It's our 25th anniversary, our silver anniversary. And we're going to have a little dinner on the rooftop somewhere here in town. A little surprise for you.
Yes.
And we're going to have some friends, and they're going to celebrate our 25 years together. So don't miss out on that, guys. It'll be 6 a.m. for all you guys back in the States, Eastern time. I know this is kind of early for a lot of you, but I know a lot of you are early risers. Throw the tube on.
Join us. I
join
would
us.
love to hear from you guys.
Prepping for the Easter dinner and everything. Just have us on in the background while that's going on live. We're going to have some guests there. Some people that you probably know are going to be there joining us, so make sure you join us. And thank you for all you guys subscribing, all your comments, all your support. We truly, truly appreciate it. And we hope to see you guys soon here in Angeles City to come stop by Drake Hotel, Papi's Restaurant, Bar and Chill. Check out the great food here and the great hotel we got going here.
You're gonna love it.
You can't go wrong. We got some good food, some big giant ribeye steaks.
Excellent staff.
all in one place.
Well,
And
thank you guys.
we're here a lot too, guys. So if you want to meet us, we're usually here. So yeah, come by and check us out. Come and see us over here. We can't wait to meet you all.
Thank you.
All right, thanks a lot, guys.
See ya.